Industrial communication technology is the basis of digitalization. Whether a smart factory or smart city, you need a powerful network for always available data communication from the field to the cloud. Phoenix Contact offers everything for industrial data communication, from classic field bus technology to modern Ethernet networks.
Serial device servers and gateways enable easy integration of serial devices and field buses into Ethernet networks.
Intelligent switches filter the data traffic in the network and ensure a high network availability.
Our comprehensive security concept ensures higher security in the network. We plan secure networks with our industrial firewalls and train the staff on site.
For the connection of all network components, we offer pre-assembled cables as well as connectors for simple on-site field assembly in M12, RJ45 and for fiber optics.
If cabling is not possible, wireless technology is the right solution. We transmit Ethernet data via Bluetooth or wireless LAN. For wide ranges, we use the trusted wireless technology or mobile radio devices.